Bravura! This is such a confusing mess!
I know. Seems your good old magical mind is not really compatible with current file tree data structures.
Whoa, there's so many! I still don't quite understand what these Nexo powers are.
Ah, that question I am compatible with. You see, young Robin, Nexo powers are basically good old magic spells, but now digitized into a computer system. I know because Ava told me. You know, back in the day...
Here we go.
150 years ago, monsters roamed the land, pillaging, destruction, mayhem. It was magical. Levitation. Decrease. Transformation. Inflation. Evaporate.
Reality! That was then. The magic is now Nexo powers, and the knights use them. Not old men in strange hats. Since these magic monsters' regular weapons have little effect. But the Nexo powers from Murloc.
Murloc! Nexo Knight!
The knight's shields, armor, and weapons can really take care of business. The problem is to find the right power for the job, which is why we need to get you organized. Time to try out some Nexo